So I got the focaccia cooking, I got the gratin cooking, got some onions cooking for the next focaccia bread, and then I got, you know, a wonderful brisket. And I still want to do another vegetable dish. I got beautiful fennel, and so I'm just going to braise it in this clay pot. I'm just going to stick it in there, and however long it takes, you know. When it's time to come out, when we're ready to eat it, it should be ready to go, I hope. Okay, so I'm going to go grab some fennel now. You can come along with. And it's just going to be fennel and shallots. I already have the shallots that we harvested earlier, we dried. All right, so let's go get that fennel. Okay, now since this is just a, you know, a slow cook, you know, it's not important how you chop it. We just want to get it in smaller sizes so that it cooks. But I think it looks pretty when it's not even, kind of rough. I think that's going to be all I can fit in there, because I got to put some shallots in there. Just going to balance it out, make it really, really nice. So I use a lot of shallots when cooking, and these things will last all winter into spring, even early summer the following year. And I do them nice and chunky. You know, they're going to flavor everything and sweeten it, kind of mellow out the fennel a bit. Get all the shallots in there. Oh my God, so good. Chicken stock. It's got a little more salt. There's salt in the chicken stock, but it's gonna get a little more. Okay, I'm not gonna bother with taking it all off. It's all new growth, so it's very tender. We're just gonna chop it up really small. And then we're going to slow cook this inside the oven. Okay. Okay. Stick it right around this corner here, and we're going to let that braise for as long as we can. When we're ready to eat it, we're going to pull it out. All right. I'm going to see if I can slide this guy out. Oh man, it looks good in there. That looks so good. You know what should get the Reggiano is this. And that, oh my God. Serve it with a little Reggiano. Oh, it's just perfect. And we're just going to put the top on it, and it should hold the heat for a while. Look at that, so tender. Ah, so good. Perfect. Ah, it's just so good. All right, well, while people are kind of hanging out, walking around the farm, I'm gonna keep the heat in. I'm gonna get this down over here. Okay, we're gonna put it at the end of the table for passing. Having a good time. That's what we're doing, right? We're growing some food, cooking it ourselves. However you do it, it's a good time. You know? It's about spending time with family and friends, having a glass of wine. It's not about making things perfect. Life is short. Have a good time. Don't stress about it.